Morning everybody. Myself is Dr. Prasad Patare. I am dealing for the subset of design of machine elements for your division. Okay. Now today we'll discuss what is the design of machine elements. We'll go by one step by steps. Okay. First of all, we'll see what is the core structure and what is your the Mars allotted. What is the examination system is available. Now for design of machine element 1, the subject code is 302041. It will have 4 lectures per week and 2 hours for practical per week. It will have in semester examination for 30 marks, end semester examination for 70 marks, and term work is for the 50 marks. Now here onward, from third year onward, for we'll have a in semester examination. Till now you are given a online examination which is of objective type, but here onward the examination will be of theoretical type. There will be the 3 different questions will be there for 30 mark for 3 different unit number 1, unit number 2 and unit number 3. Each unit will carry 10 marks. Okay, now the duration of examination will be 1.5 hours, that is totally 90 minutes will be there for in semester examination, and for end semester examination the total duration will be of 3 hours. Now it will also carry a term work that we will discuss afterwards. Now this is the structural layout for the third year mechanical engineering for the second semester, but we will not discuss for that. Now if you are seeing design of machine element 1, it will consist of different course objective and course outcome. Now basic questions come in our mind. What is the objective and outcome? Objective means these are the target. Outcome means whatever you have learned, the qualities that you have achieved, that will come in outcomes. Now there are 4 objectives are there for design of machine element 1. That is, the first objective is that students shall gain appreciation and understanding of design function in mechanical engineering. Different steps involved in designing, the relation of design activity with the manufacturing activity. That means here we will discuss, that is, how the design will have a role in mechanical engineering to design a component, by considering all the aspects of mechanical engineering, like manufacturing aspects and other aspects. Second one, the student shall learn to choose proper materials for different machine elements depending on their physical and mechanical properties. They will learn to apply the knowledge of material science in real life situation. Now, very basic thing in mechanical engineering, for any component, when the component is going to get failed, first question come whether the material is proper or not, whether material is appropriate or not, whether the whatever the properties the material bears, whether that are sustainable throughout the life of the component, whether the properties are going to change with respect to time. All these questions come in mind. Now which are those properties? Some of the physical properties and some of the mechanical properties. Therefore the choosing of appropriate material in the system is the most important aspect. Then next one, students shall gain thorough understanding of different types of failure modes and criteria. They will be conversant with various failure theories and be able to judge which criteria is to be applied for a particular situation. Now when the component will fail, the component is going to fail by using different failure modes are there. Okay, now depending on the type of failure mode, we can judge the criteria of what type of forces can be sustained by a particular component. The next one, and last one, that is, the student shall gain design knowledge of different types of elements used in machine design process, like fasteners, shafts, coupling, etc., and will be able to design these elements for each application. Now whatever the different mechanical system, there are 2 things are there: elements and a system. System will consist of an element. Element means it is the smaller and smaller part. Now our name of subject is that design of machine elements. Elements means we are going to design smaller and smaller parts of a mechanical system. This system will be required. Now we will have three different design here onward in mechanical engineering. Design of machine elements 1, design of machine element 2, and mechanical system design, that is the subject in the final year. Now in the third year first semester, that is in the fifth semester, we will discuss the basic mechanical element like a fastener, shaft, couplings, then different types of springs that will design here. We write from the basic modes. These are the some of the course objectives are there. Then there are 6 different course outcomes are being designed for this type of subject. First one, that is ability to identify and understand the failure modes for mechanical elements and design of a machine element based on the strength. Now design is basically based on the strength and rigidity. The failure mode is also dependent on how the component is going to fail and what are the material properties are being possessed by the material. Now whenever the component are being designed, first it is being designed on the strength and the rigidity. Then next one, ability to design shaft keys and coupling for industrial applications. Now what are the shaft keys and couplings are there? We will be able to design after this studying of this subject. Ability to design machine elements subjected to the fluctuating load. Fluctuating load means the load will vary with respect to time and magnitude. Fourth one, ability to design the power screw for various applications. Ability to design fasteners and welded joint subjected to the different loading conditions. Then sixth one, ability to design various springs for the strength and rigidity.